Good morning. Welcome to the Bayer Crop Report Review. Sorry we're a minute or two late getting this in. Let's take a look. We've had a lot of surprises in this market, and we want to first start with corn. The corn market, the number came out for production at 13.7 billion bushels, a yield of 168.8. They're off on this. They thought the average guess on corn total production would be 13.318. Came out at 13.7. At the time this report came out, corn was up 5, and right now corn is down 19. Very negative reaction for that. Ending stocks 1.7 billion bushels. They expected 1.427 billion bushels. Major surprise. Looking at soybeans. Soybean market, the production number came out at 3.916 billion bushels, expected 3.719, a surprise there. Yield of 46.9 bushels an acre. They expected a yield of 44.6. And ending stocks, big number. They expected 247 million bushels. It came out at 470 million bushels. Soybeans at the time this number came out was down 8.5. Right now, soybeans are down. November soybeans are down 57, and they've been 13 lower than this. They were down the limit at one point. Looking at wheat, pretty close to the target level for ending stocks. The wheat, 850 million bushels for ending stocks. The wheat market was up 5.5 before this report came out. Right now, wheat's down 14 3/4. It's actually been 8 cents lower than this at one point. And maybe even the biggest surprise was cotton. Very bullish reaction. The cotton market came out. I tell you what, I'm going to just read you directly from USDA. I don't want to miss anything here, but I'll tell you, cotton was down 49 when this came out, and right now cotton is up 222, and it's at 64.03. It did get to 64.82. So a volcanic reaction to this. Looking at cotton, reading again from the USDA, this month's 2015-16 U.S. cotton estimates include sharply lower supplies, disappearance, and ending stocks relative to last month. Production from the 2015 crop is reduced 10% to 13.1 million bales based on this season's first production field survey, which indicates lower planted acreage, higher abandonment, and a lower average yield compared to last month's expectations. The beginning stocks will reduce 500,000 bales due to higher than expected 2014-2015 exports. In addition, the 2014-2015 ending stocks estimate includes a preliminary reduction based on reported stocks in public warehouses. U.S. ending stocks for 2014-2015 will be revised further as any more data becomes available. Domestic meal use for 2015-16 is reduced marginally, but exports are lowered 800,000 bales due to lower production. Ending stocks of 3.1 million bales would be 23% of total usage. The range of the marketing year average price is raised 58 to 72 cents per pound for a midpoint of 65 cents, which is up 3 cents from last month. Projected 2015-16 world cotton stocks are reduced by nearly 3 million bales this month, due mainly to lower estimated production in the world's major cotton-producing countries. In addition to the U.S. reduction, production is lowered 1 million bales in China based on lower reported area and extreme heat in Xinjiang, and 500,000 bales in India based on lower than expected plantings to date. Production is also reduced for Uzbekistan, but is raised for Brazil, Australia, and Pakistan. World consumption and trade are raised due to multiple, mostly offsetting changes, the largest of which incorporates historical and current increases to imports and consumption of Bangladesh. So that's it. I don't know that we could get more numbers more off than expectations were. So that's where we are. Cotton up 224. November soybeans up 56. December corn, I'm sorry, let me start over here with my glasses. November soybeans down 56. December corn down 21. December wheat down 15. And So, and on top of that, the dollar's down about 120 right now. That's it for the day. Join us later. We'll maybe have a little bit more of a wrap up at 1:20 this afternoon for our afternoon update. Thanks a lot.